everyone, welcome to our very first sailing adventure here in West Coast, Australia. Let me introduce myself. I'm Angela from the Philippines and my partner LG from Western Australia. We brought the boat in Fremantle in Perth early September last year. It's a 55-foot aluminum catamaran. It's a very comfortable living board. It has everything we need in blue water sailing. I don't know much about sailing, but my partner has good boating experience. And yes, it can be doubting and scary, exhausting sometimes, but that is what sailing is all about. Blue water sailings gives us many wonderful life lessons, such as controlling our emotion, working together, and how to be calm, patient, decision-making, communicating, and having a vision, finding our inner peace, and enjoy our life. How's that, mahal?
Oh, scary as. Lots of wind.
I am sailing just the Genoa. Doing 3.4 knots. How many knots? For sail 7.7 with the mainsail and the Genoa. Cruising.